This is the FIEBDC standard format. It is used in Europe for construction tendering and budgeting. You cannot open it in Excel directly. You need a specific construction viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is a free tool. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a BC3 file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. The BC3 extension falls under the data file category. The application saved the data as a FIEBDC database structure. A BC3 file is a database file associated with FIEBDC, Federación Iberoamericana de Entidades de la Construcción. This format is used to store structured data related to construction projects, including project details, material specifications, cost estimations, and other relevant information. It facilitates efficient data management and collaboration within the construction industry. The BC3 file format typically employs a relational database structure, allowing for complex data relationships and efficient querying. The internal structure is proprietary to FIEBDC, and accessing or modifying the data usually requires specialized software or tools designed to work with the FIEBDC database system. Data integrity and consistency are crucial for accurate project management. The proprietary opener for the BC3 file structure is typically FIEBDC by unknown developer. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. We need to identify a functional opener, right-click the BC3 file and choose Open With. Prioritize FIEBDC if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application. The right one is out there. If you still cannot open your BC3 file, that is okay. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your BC3. Problem. First, use Arquimedes. Open the file using CYPE Arquimedes, the required application for the budget and measurement data. Next, convert to FIEBDC. If the program is unavailable, use an online converter to convert the BC3 file to a universal FIEBDC format. Finally, check version. Ensure the CYPE Arquimedes version is compatible with the version that created the file. When your installed apps can't handle the file, guaranteed compatibility is only possible with the specialized universal tool. This is the recommended next step to try. The real advantage of FileMagick is its deep-level access, allowing it to read the content of your BC3 file instantly, regardless of the file's extension. Get this powerful tool at FileMagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions. Stay tuned for more expert solutions next week.